Cut the chicken into the small pieces, add half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon paprika powder, half tablespoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well until combined. Attach 6 to 7 chicken bites onto the bamboo skewer. Place the skewers in the air fryer basket. Brush the olive oil over the chicken cubes and cook at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Bang bang sauce preparation. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add 2 tablespoons Thai sweet chili sauce. Mix well until combined. Brush the bang bang sauce until the chicken is well coated. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.